Hello, everyone. This is Real Love Ministries' 10-year anniversary. I would like to personally thank you for all of your loving support, your prayers, and your financial support. Thank you to all of the pastors who have opened up their congregations to us to be able to pour into. God's presence has been moving around the globe, and we have been doing our best to keep up with Him, and we couldn't have done it without you. Thank you for partnering with us to see the Spirit of Jesus come alive in people, church communities, and nations. In the past 24 months, as a community, Real Love Ministries is experiencing a lot of growth. During these times, we are stretched in our personal and spiritual capacity. We're also stretched financially. The Lord has grown us from primarily being an itinerant ministry to a kingdom organization that disciples people in our community, churches around the world, and a growing number of nations. There's such a desperate need in every area of the world for genuine Christians that love Jesus and desire to see the fullness of who He is come to life in others. This is our heart's desire. 2025 has brought a shift for us. Rather than having itinerant ministry be the primary stream of income that supplies the resources for all of our staff, we have shifted the focus to building 2 or 3 more streams of income to support the expansion of God's vision for us to the nations. The last stream we are working on is building our partner base. We are launching this by hosting a 10-year anniversary dinner on July 12th. The dinner will be hosted at Ascent Church in Westlake, Ohio. Real Love Ministries is blessed to be able to provide the meal at no cost. There will be beautiful music, testimony, and a shared vision of where God is taking us. I would like to ask you to prayerfully consider being a partner of Real Love Ministries. In order to be a partner, we ask that you commit to a minimum of $10 a month for 12 months or a minimum of a one-time $500 donation. This will give you exclusive access to bi-monthly Zooms with me as well as an undisclosed special guest. During our events, we have special seating for our partners, and we will also provide a bi-monthly update, and you'll receive a token gift. So please, pray about partnering with us. Many of you, it's my hope that will travel the nations of the world with us, but some of you may never get a chance to do that. And by partnering with us financially, you can be part of our family as we grow and reach the world with the love of Jesus.